Okay, so here we go. This is Mike at PEAK Handyman, and we're going to change a doorknob today. Now, hope I don't have a stripped out, well, no screw at all. Okay. So, you can see I have this extended bit to be able to get the angle for these. This is very helpful to be able to get into those screws. Everything comes apart on the old one. Take the bolt out. Do this left-handed. I hope I can keep it on track here. There we go. Okay, bolts out, strike plate. Sometimes these have been painted in place, so you need to cut the paint so it will release. Get something that you can pry it off with. And now all the old hardware is off. Now back with the new. So typically I start with the strike plate since I'm already here. Neglected to get my screws out. There we go. That's famous saying here in Dallas, Texas. Here we go. And in with the screws. Get them in nice and flush into the countersink so you don't have a problem with screw heads sticking out and bothering anything. Alright, okay. Get here so I can be in the camera. Okay, this particular brand, the screws that attach both sides of the doorknob come already in the doorknob, so you have to take them out. And get ahead of myself, peel off the protective plastic from the bolt. Install that so that the curvature, let's see if I can see that, curvature goes towards the door, and that way when it hits strike plate it will open. Okay, I like to set my screws into the bolt mounting, not totally tight, so that we still got a little wiggle room. As you put your doorknob on, sometimes in order to get the bolt to slide smoothly as you turn the doorknob, this needs to have a lick. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of jiggle. And a thin shafted screwdriver so that you can get into the angle that is required for these doorknobs. So a thin shafted screwdriver. Here we go. Doorknob going in. Back side going on. Yeah, hit the hole. There we go. Make sure everything is in place. This is usually the most aggravating part of putting doorknobs on, and that is to get your mounting screws to go in place. And not only do I have this headlamp so that I can see what I'm doing in general, but more specifically for this particular part of the job, so that I can peek inside here and line up on the back side to get the screws in. Feels like I've got a bite. Let's go to work. Okay, like I said, you need the long shaft driver bit so you can get in here at an angle. Kind of take it easy as you're going, because you don't have a real good bite on your head of your screw. You're just kind of in there at an angle. See if I can get on the second one. The longer the bit, the harder it is to control. There we go. Okay. Unlock it. Check that your bolt is opening and closing smoothly. From this point, I use the hand screwdriver to tighten things up. Checking that the bolt is sliding smoothly through the whole process. And there you have it, doorknob installed. Oh, there we go. Open, close. That's all.